everyone, today we're going to show you how to troubleshoot the MY series LED screen. Now we can see that the first cabinet is working normally, but all the cabinets behind it are off. So the first step, let's check whether the indicator light on the second cabinet is on. If not, we will try to replace this power cable between two cabinets. If the indicator light is still not on after replacing the power cable, then we need to remove this power supply box and replace the inside power supply. Unplug the cables. Remove the power supply box. Remove all the hub cards. Remove the power supply. Replace a new power supply. Install the hub card A first. Fix the power supply. Connect the cables of the power supply. Install the hub card B. Install the hub card C. Install the power supply box. That's all the operation steps for the power parts troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.